I think that a lot of our customers have sort of awakened to the value of the data that they've got, and the need for really taking a look and at it and applying analytics to it. Not to enter a huge echo chamber about CDM, continuous diagnostics and mitigation, but one of the side effects from that really has been the fact that you really have to understand application management, you have to understand your IT operations activities, and you have to understand your security activities, and all of that has to bubble up to risk. And whether anybody likes it or not, what's really happening is there is, and I probably shouldn't even say this because people, if they're aware of it, maybe they'll stop doing it, but there needs to be, the wall needs to be broken down between IT operations and security. And those silos have existed for a very long time. And if you read between the lines on the requirements for CDM, you'll find that there has to be a meld of those two organizations. And that the two stories that need to come together, Jim, for example, my computer's acting funny or strange. That's the typical security operations or IT operations story that you'd get from a user. And then the other side of that is the security-centric story, where you've got the security person actually monitoring their sensors and their IPS, their AV, all of those kinds of things that they have deployed. And those two stories are starting to merge, and all of the data around that is now being looked at as a pool of information where you can actually run statistical analysis and analytics on that to find out what's normal and what's not.
Yeah, right. Yeah,